It's raining again, buddy. Yeah. Oh, thank you. It's raining again, Dad. Ah, yes, good old North Carolina rain. Look at that. It's raining yet again. And I just did a video on the black car last night, so I'll put the link in there so you can check it out, where I used just a detail spray, as everybody keeps telling me, of the Color Crush from Lithium Auto on that, so check it out. But today's video is about the red car. I used a ceramic slam on it. So let's get the good old turtle umbrella and let's get out there and check it out. Like I said, we got the good old turtle umbrella. Let me get it extended out and we'll head out to the car. Again, like I said, the Color Crush. Look at that water beading. Water just runs right off of it. Doing its job. But let's get out here to the red car. This has been on the car for 1 week. And 1 week only. Let's get out here and see how it's doing. Wow. And as hard as it's raining, there is no water on the car hardly. Look at that nice tight beading right there. Yes, sir. And as we get down to the hood, as soon as it builds up just a little bit, watch what happens. See if I can get it through it. It just starts running. Water does not want to stay on it. And that's what you're looking for from a good sealer. That is exactly what you're looking for. Water just does not want to stick on it. Nice tight uniform beading. Good depth of shine. I mean, just look at that. But I just wanted to come out here and give you guys an update so that you could see how it's doing. Like I said, once it builds up, it just rolls right off. But look at that beading and that depth of shine. I mean, that is very, very hard to match. And out of a spray product, I am tickled to death. I'd use this on anything. Matter of fact, I've got it on the wheels. Look at that coming down through there. I've got it on the wheels. I've got it on the paint. I didn't put it on the glass because all my glass is currently coated. But once the coating wears off of the glass, this stuff will be going on it too. But yeah, look at how clean. And this car's been driven a couple times in rain and everything. And as you can see, it's not dirty at all. Dirt and water and all that good stuff just does not want to stick to it. But there you go, ceramic slam. It's the real deal. I'm loving it. I am loving how this stuff is working on my cars. Now I'm going to just go ahead and tell you, I was a little hesitant to start using them, but they've come a long way. Now they're in spray form, believe it or not. Is it a true coating? In a way, yes, and in a way, no. The Color Crush was $19.99 for 16 ounces, and you can use it two ways: a standalone, like I did because of the weather. Spray it on, wipe it in, and you're done. Or you can use it as a drying aid, like the car's wet. Like if you just got done washing it, spray a little bit on your drying towel, use the water to help spread it, and you're done. And then you have the ceramic slam. It's a little bit more pricey. It's $39.99 for 16 ounces, but a little bit of it goes so far I mean, I had full 16-ounce bottle, and I put it on my wheels and everything, and I only used that much for a whole car. But the way it works is, you spray it on, you use a microfiber towel to smooth it out, or cover the area, if you will, and let it haze over for 5 minutes, and you come back and buff it off, and you get shine and protection. And then you try to keep it as water dry as you can for 24 hours after that. And when you come back, you have a nice, slick, hard shell glass filling on it. Now, is it a true H9 protection like the ones at the beginning, where you have to use the applicator and stuff? No, it's not. It's not going to last several years like the other stuff. But with the other ceramic true coatings, you have to put them on. You have to make sure you put it on level. There's no high spots, and they last years. They really do. But it takes a pro almost to put those on and get it to look right, because like I said, you don't want any high spots or anything with that stuff. With this stuff, you don't have to worry about it. Spray it on and forget it. But I just wanted to get this out there. This is a 1 week update on that. I did the 2 week update last night on that. And you get out there and enjoy your cars. Even though it's raining, I enjoy doing this stuff for you guys and seeing how well the products really last. Because, you know, people could say anything, but do they really last? So far, yep. Thanks for watching. Me and my umbrella, or the wife's umbrella, get back in the house. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.